smells so good. I cannot even tell you. I am surrounded by all end of the season herbs, and I have to tell you, they still look so great, and I just do not have the heart to get rid of them. I've been enjoying fresh herbs all summer long. Now I really want to enjoy dried herbs from my plants that I had all season long, and you can do the same thing. It's actually so easy. Very simple steps to it. Let's say you have your herbs outside in pots, or you have them in the ground outside. Great, either way you can harvest from them. Couple of tips about harvesting herbs for drying. Number one, try not to let your herbs go to flower. I always talk about this because they tend to lose a little bit of their robust flavor when you let them go to flower, and they get a little leggy. Number two, when you snip your herbs, make sure that you snip them in the earlier part of the day before it gets really hot, so they're really fresh and really good. Number three, it's really important to kind of pick off some of the diseased leaves. Like I have a few yellow leaves in this sage. I'm just going to pick those off and just really pick the best leaves and the best herb parts to dry inside. Number four, when you are picking bundles, do not put too many stalks in a bundle. You can mix and match. I'm mixing and matching everything here. You can definitely do that, but really probably only like 6 little pieces into a bundle, because the key with drying is that they really need to dry. And if they're packed so tightly together, they really can't do that. I am going to just make these cute little bundles. I'm going to wrap them with a little bit of wire. So easy. You could use twine. You could use a rubber band, anything that you really have in the house. Very simple. Make up these cute little bundles. And then I'm going to bring them inside. And I actually had this cute little rack here. You can use so many different things. You can use those old clothes drying racks to hang them off. You can use a stick with twine to hang your herb bundles off. But here's the key. It needs to go in a little bit of a darker, dry place inside. That's really important. If you put them in the bright sunlight, they tend to lose their color and some of their flavor. What I want you to do is actually check them in about 2 weeks. It may take easily up to 4 weeks for them to fully dry for you, but definitely after 2 weeks, check them and see how they are. When they're nice and crumbly, that is when you can actually harvest them. And all you have to do is take them off those branches and put them in some airtight sealed containers. You could do this in plastic baggies. These are these airtight sealed mason jars, perfect for storing your dried herbs. And then guess what, guys? You get to enjoy them all winter long. Thanksgiving is coming up. You can cook with them. How great would that be to say that you harvested your own dried herbs from plants that you grew on your own? Thanks so much. See you next time.